All right, just like that, another day, another week is almost in the books for stocks and for Palantir stock. And let me tell you, man, it's a pretty good day today. Very good day for Palantir stock in the midst of an overall red day for stocks. As I'm sure you guys know, as geopolitical tensions right now are rising after Israel attacked Iran, which we covered in my earlier video, or one of the earlier videos. Go check it out from this morning. But Palantir is up 2.7% right now, as every index is down a good chunk here in the U.S. market. And the VIX is up almost 6.5%, and oil is up 6%. So guys, we have to break down Palantir, the charts, some news we got earlier in the week that I forgot to actually touch upon. We'll cover that in this video. So hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Do all that good stuff. Check out the Patreon for my portfolio updates. That is linked down below if you guys are interested. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive into it. So right now, it's about 1 p.m. East Coast time. Palantir is up almost 3%. And guys, like I said, every index is down. The S&P is down 0.4. Same with QQQ, about 0.5%. The Dow's down 1%, and the Russell is down 0.8%. As again, the VIX is up 6.5%. Gold's up 1.4%. I'm not surprised there at all. And oil is up almost 6%, as Iran obviously is a big producer of oil. China's one of their biggest customers, if not their biggest customer, right? So that, the fact that they're getting attacked right now at their nuclear plant over there, nuclear base, right? Yeah, I mean, this is causing oil to go up. Energy stocks are going up. There's fear, uncertainty. Is this World War III right now, right? So a lot is going on, and Palantir stock is being pushed up here. You guys can see we almost hit another all-time high today. I think the all-time high is officially like 140. But then again, this could be a one-off little glitch on Thinkorswim. Did we actually even hit 140 2 days ago, or was that yesterday? No, that was 2 days ago. I don't know. But let's say 140 isn't the all-time high. Let's say that's a glitch here on this platform. Then technically we're about to hit all-time highs literally now. You know what I mean? All-time highs technically from 2 days ago. Let's say we're not counting this 140 pop. Let's say it's a glitch. Then all-time highs would be at about 139.20, and we're at 138.80 right now. And earlier in the day, we actually got pretty close. We got to 139.17. So we almost hit all-time highs earlier in the day here. And the more I pull these layers back, you'll realize, the bulls are looking strong on Palantir, even though we took a bit of a sell-off yesterday after the bell. Look at this. You'll notice the old resistance, right, was 130 to 135. We covered that. Notice how we pulled back to about 130, 132 as we saw a big dump in stocks last night. Palantir pulled back to that point, and all pre-market today, it held above it, 132, and then we rocketed off of it at open, which goes to show clearly this old resistance is now acting as support. You guys see it right here. This is a very good sign overall for the bulls. And honestly, man, it might sound crazy, but it's pointing to more upside, right? More potential green. So this ascending triangle we called out, you see it even better here on the 4-hour time frame. You can see how much 132 was resistance. And again, this shows you how we broke out of it, right? Pulled back, tested it as support. Now we're bouncing off of it again, and we're going back towards all-time high. So Palantir, guys, at this point, don't be surprised if we really break through 140 and start to build from there and go even higher. Whether it's next week, the week after that, we don't know obviously exactly when it's going to happen, but that is big news. So let's go over here now to some other news we got earlier in the week. And as I pull this up, guys, run the likes up. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. We're slacking a little bit on the subscribers here on YouTube. So if you're watching this video on YouTube right now and you haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure to do it. I think 50% of you guys watch the content, but you're not subscribed according to my analytics. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you all as always. So a couple of days ago, I think on Tuesday, we got this news that Fedragani and Palantir partnered to accelerate operational transformation with artificial intelligence. So a couple of days ago, Palantir announced a multi-year partnership with Fedragani, a global reference manufacturer of specialty papers for packaging and other creative applications, self-adhesive labels, graphic supports for commercial or rather visual communication, and RFID. This strategic alliance aims to accelerate Fedragani's digital transformation by leveraging advanced AI capabilities and Palantir's innovative solutions. Initially focused on stock optimization and demand forecasting, the partnership is now expanding to support Fedragani's comprehensive digital transformation objectives, which of course Palantir is going to help big time with that. And this collaboration between Palantir and Fedragani represents a pivotal step in enhancing operational efficiency and driving innovation across Fedragani's global operations. And by utilizing Palantir's cutting-edge AI tech, Fedragani seeks to improve its responsiveness to market dynamics and enhance its ability to anticipate and meet customer demands, right? And Fedragani is advised on this project by Avatar Investments, preferred partner of Palantir over in Italy, which I freaking love. Italy, guys, I've been there twice. Beautiful place, great food, and even just the idea of going back to Italy makes me hungry, man. The amount of carbonara I ate in Italy, the amount of cacio e pepe, the amount of, just, oh, man. Oh, and I lost weight in Italy, on a side note. We went there for a honeymoon, and, I somehow came back like 10 pounds later when I was just eating like a madman and drinking. At nights, we were drinking, wine, this, that, blah, blah, blah. Either way, that's the big news. That's the big news we got earlier in the week regarding Palantir and the CEO of Fedragani, Marco Nespolo. This makes me want to go back to Italy, guys. He said, "We are delighted to deepen our partnership with Palantir as we embark on this transformative journey. Our collaboration with Palantir will enable us to harness the power of AI to be increasingly agile and competitive in a rapidly evolving market." He also said this partnership is a critical component of our strategy to lead the industry in operational excellence and customer service. And he also said integrating Palantir's AI solutions into our operations signifies a major advancement in our digital innovation strategy. The ability to accurately forecast demand and optimize stock levels is just the beginning, right? So that's the big news we got earlier this week. And again, pay attention to the charts, guys. We're looking great on the charts. The fact that we're bouncing off 135, pushing all-time highs. I mean, what more could you want, especially heading into a weekend, guys? This is a great way to wrap up the week. In the midst of a red day, too, may I add, where stocks are not looking so hot. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to subscribe. Again, we're slacking a bit here on the main channel. And check out the second channel where I'm doing a cash giveaway when we hit 1,000 subs. That's called Stas Talks Money. It's more of a personal finance reaction channel. That is linked down below. Same with the email stock newsletter and my Patreon for my portfolio updates, guys. Check them out down below. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.